The TRADESAFE Grease Pencils and Permanent Marker Pack delivers bold, reliable, consistent markings on glass, metal, plastic, and other surfaces. Use the grease pencils and marker to create strong, smudge-free markings on rough, smooth, dusty, or even slightly wet surfaces. The pack includes black and red grease pencils, each with a durable, non-brittle wax core for prominent, smear-resistant markings. Simply pull the string to quickly tear away the protective wrapper and expose more wax as needed. No sharpening required for uninterrupted use. The rounded body offers a comfortable grip for better control during extended marking tasks. Also included is a black permanent marker that delivers precise, fade-resistant lines for labeling, measurements, and detailed writing. With both fine and broad tips, it allows you to easily switch between precise labeling and bold, high-visibility marks. Ideal for workshops, construction sites, and everyday professional tasks, the TRADESAFE Grease Pencils and Permanent Marker Pack provides reliable performance and clear, lasting results. Built better, made stronger, perform every time.